Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting immediate, actionable habits. Relax your wrist and locate a comfortable anchor point. You can float, rest your thumb on the pickup, or use the side of your palm. Pick a size and hold it between pad and side of index. Angle the tip slightly towards the strings to reduce catching. Once set, practice short 1-2-minute focused drills on downstrokes to groove the motion. This establishes consistent tone and prevents tension while you build speed. Now you layer technique. Work strict alternate picking at 60-90 BPM using small wrist rotations and minimal finger movement. This increases endurance and timing. Add palm muting by placing the fleshy edge of your palm near the bridge. Adjust pressure to get muted versus ringing notes. Then practice dynamics. Play the same patterns soft and loud, altering pick angle and attack to change timbre. Once done, use a metronome and raise tempo in 3-5% increments to keep precision while gaining speed. Finish by combining techniques. Add fingerstyle or hybrid picking to expand texture, and practice tremolo or syncopated accents to lock groove. Make sure to record short takes so you can hear timing, unwanted string noise, or inconsistent tone. This exposes issues your ear misses while playing. If problems persist, isolate the treble spot and slow it way down until the motion is clean, then gradually speed back up. A single troubleshooting tip. When noise shows, reduce motion to the minimal effective movement and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.